Hi, everybody, and welcome to Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, December 15th through the 17th. I know it says Friday, but this is really encapsulating our last 3 days together. For today, and really for the first 2 days, we will be doing Quill, or Typing Club, for presenting our knowledge of as our do now, and then we will be moving into the Hunger Games movie, for those of you that have permission slips. We had all classes Wednesday, odd modified on Thursday, and even modified on Friday. Our grades are closed as of now. I'm still grading a little bit, but they are closed. I want you guys to know that I will miss you all. This is my last video because, well, we're just watching the movie in class together. If you were not able to watch the movie or you were out for any reason, please watch the movies. They're great. You did the hard work to read the books. To any of my students that are listening to my last video, I want you to know that I am so proud of you and I'm so honored to have been your teacher for this semester. I hope you guys go on to do amazing things, and if you guys ever need to talk to Ms. Ornelas, I'm always here for you guys. Alright guys, as always, if you need to reach out to me or you have questions or anything, please feel free to reach out before or after school or send me an email, and I'll see you guys around. Have a good one. Bye.